Maybe it is too windy today to fly with the DJI Mini 2, but that won't stop us to talk about accessories. Let's do this! If you're new to the channel, my name is Mikos and these are the episodes of Becoming a Drone Pilot. And in this episode, I would like to go through my top 3 accessories for the DJI Mini 2. Of course, you can use your drone without any accessories, straight out of the box. Well, probably just check the updates and charge the batteries and you're ready to go. But these 3 have been super useful for me. Now let's go through the accessories one by one and let's see what's so special about them. ND filters. I think this is a must-have accessory if you're shooting in a bright sunny day like this one, like with any drone, because what it does, it works as sunglasses for the camera. And you see, if you want to follow the 180 rule and get your shutter speed double the frame rate you have, to get that nice, smooth, cinematic footage, then without the NDs, the image will be overexposed and pretty much useless. Here you can see a comparison from the DJI Mini 2 with and without an ND filter. Of course, you can turn the shutter speed up and your image will get darker. But then again, you're gonna lose that motion blur in your footage. Super important note. Actually, you have to be really careful how much weight do you add to your DJI Mini 2, because you know, it comes in 249 grams. And if you add something to it, it can go over the 250 gram limit, and it can be illegal to fly in some spaces. There are a lot of different ND filters out there in different strengths and from different brands, but we're gonna save that for another video. Now let's get to the accessory number 2. A landing pad. This has been super useful for me, especially when I started using a drone. I wouldn't say this is a must-have accessory, but it is super useful, especially when starting out. Because like I didn't want to try the hand landing and hand catching methods right away when I first started, and this was helpful in places when there was tall grass or dust on the road. And I like this one because it's super compact, it's easy to carry, comes with a little bag, and so whenever you're going for a flight and if you're not sure if you're gonna need it or not, it's small, so why not bring it with you for the safety. The control remotes, Lanyard. Well, this is super helpful. I actually didn't think it was gonna be so nice and helpful before I got it, but when I tried it for the first time, I definitely knew this one is one of the accessories that's gonna stay in the camera bag as well. And the reason is pretty obvious. You don't have to hold the controller in your hands all the time. You can let it go. You don't have to see for a place where to put it while you're setting up your drone or taking a sip of a coffee. Cheers. And another thing that's cool about having a lanyard is the hand launching and hand landing process. I think I've mentioned this in a video before, but when you hand launch the drone, you have to use both of these joysticks in the same time. So balancing the remote in your hand can be pretty tricky. But now all the weight just lies onto the lanyard. So these are my top 3 accessories for the DJI Mini 2. I would like to know what accessories are you using, so share that into the comments and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Ciao! I hope it's still recording. Perfect. Spot on.